Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. And today's video is not too much about lasering, even though it could help you in the future for other things. Because in lasering, we don't really do colors, but somebody was trying to do this logo and how to clean up. He had some double lines, and then I used the Smart Fill tool to get rid of the double lines. So if you missed that video, you might want to watch that. But we've got this logo, and we want to. This is a JPEG, so it's fuzzy, and then this is a vector, so it's clean, line art. But we want those colors over here now. So what you can do is go to the Smart Fill tool, and under Specify or under Color, there's an eyedropper. Get on that orange and make it orange, and then fill in these three parts that are orange. Go to color again, and we want, well, really that's all we need. Well, if let's make it blue. So, but we wanted that Denver Broncos blue, so grab the eyedropper tool, and we'll just make this blue instead of black. I notice we left out one part on the eye, but we can go back to the Specify, get the eyedropper tool again, and go ahead and get that color again, and now zoom in, get the Smart Fill tool back. It's still got our one color. So now you've got a clean vector graphic, and you could do the same thing with grayscale, and that's why it would maybe help you in lasering. But this is the exact colors off the JPEG. So you use the eyedropper tool, and as you can see, it's listed. Now we got the red from our outline. So let's take our outline away. Left click. Whoop, I hit right click. Right click, no outline. Now you've got just a clean, crisp. So we've got black. There's black in there somewhere, an orange, and a blue. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.